In this program we are uh, loading the resources first for the cars of different colors. So there are three type of cars and all have four different colors: white, blue, black, yellow and red. So first we are loading the bitmap and that are saved in the resources folder, and then we are making a struct of car and its type. The subcategories of the structs are the make of the car, the model of the car, and the color of the car. And then we are displaying the and then we are initializing the first we are creating the objects of the struct car, and then we are initializing the the subcategories make, model and color to the three different cars that we have provided in the images. So the first one is Ford Mustang, and the second one is McLaren P1, and the third car is Lamborghini Aventador. So we have created the functions of the type struct that, and we use the uh, car result line, the code, to make a object of the struct car, and then we access the subcategories make, model and color via the dot operator, and then we initialize the values of the make, model and color, and then return the result. And then we have a function that displays the make and model of the car, and it accepts the objects of the struct of the type car, and then it uses the dot operator to access the values that are stored in the memory location to display the information. And then we have made an enum for the for to show the car different car colors of the car. So we have defined the constants: blue color, red color, black color, yellow color, and then then an option for finishing the show. And then we have created another function of the type enum that accepts the option from the user to show either blue color cars or red color cars or black color cars or yellow color, or finish showing. And then the option is stored in a variable result, and then that result is converted to the subcategories of the enum blue color, red color, and these options are then used in the next function, void show color, in which we use the switch case statement, switch case algorithm to first draw the if the option entered by user is blue first, so it corresponds to the blue color, and then we draw the bitmap of the corresponding blue Mustang, and then we initialize the x and the y variables, and then we refresh the screen rate to then we set the refresh screen rate to 60, and we show it for 2 seconds, and then we clear the screen to color white, and so on. We show different blue color cars, and the same goes on for the red color. We show on the different red color cars, and same for the black, and same for the yellow. And the while condition is that option is not equal to finish, so it still keeps on repeating. And in the main function we call the load resources function, and then we show the cars. And first we show the white color cars because these are the default color values, and then we show different colors, and the program is finished.